In this video, I show you how to use the Android application HTTP response code. Here you can search any code that you want, and then you get here a definition. 400 means BAT request, and you have more explanation. In the list here you can search all HTTP response codes, standard and non-standard HTTP response or status codes. So here is the quiz. Here you have the option to choose standard or non-standard. If you want to play the quiz with only standard or only non-standard, or if you don't select anything, it is the default mode, which is mixed of standard and non-standard HTTP status codes. So here you get the question: what does the HTTP response code 1xx mean? So 1xx is like the 100 family that you can search, for example, about 1xx or 100 family. This is informational. It indicates that the request was received and understood. You have three is about the redirection family. family. And now we know who we just searched the 1xx, so it is informational. It is okay. Click on next. Then when you do not click on anything, the next question button is disabled, so it does nothing. So what does the HTTP response code 509 mean? 509 means just bandwidth limit exceeded. It is non-standard because it is from Apache web server. And next you can play. Under the score here you have two numbers. One here is what you answered correctly, and then the other one is how many questions did you have. That is about that. So 110. Let me think about this. Responses is still requested. Header field. Also this is informational, so responses is still is correct. 113. 113, it is also informational, so from informational family. From informational family. Unauthorized request, header field, restrict expiration, connection timeout. No, a restrict expiration. And you can play with this and then learn and practice HTTP status codes. That helps you. Here you have also help page that shows how to use this Android application. And here you have about page, who created this application, and so on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Have a great time.